Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you. So here we are on the December 2018 update video for Dramamask Evolution, and a happy Christmas to everybody. Of course, over the last month, in November, we did a couple of drawing videos and things. Of course, we did the eye drawing and the dog portrait here, which is stuck to the wall. And I'll put a video up at some point. It's a relatively simple thing, but those pictures want to be sealed with this professional fixative. This is Winsor Newton professional fixative. And you just basically spray it over the top of your pencil drawings or charcoal drawings, and that protects the drawing. Although apparently you can use hairspray, but I'm not 100% sure if that is suitable over the course of time. But I have used it myself in the past and had no problems, but I'll look into that a little bit further. So of course we did the recycled rocket spaceship, which is here, and there'll be some green screen videos coming up soon. I think my green screen capabilities are around about the sort of 1950s, 1960s standard at the moment, so it'd be nice to bring that up to date. Probably not much going on over December, and it's just a matter of clearing things up and getting ready for Christmas. So basically this video is all wishing everybody a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. There will be some more videos coming up in December, maybe some full-length videos, moulding videos and casting videos, and there's a possibility that I might have a fiberglass video out this month, but probably it's more likely going to be in January. But there'll be a Christmas special coming up soon, and that'll be making a Christmas item from polymer clay, so hopefully get that next week. As you can see, there's a few objects here, concrete skulls, which have been featured in videos before, and various other objects. So we'll do some more casting in the new year with various materials, concrete, resin, and probably some more drawing videos, maybe painting videos. Of course, painting concrete and resin, more sculpting coming up soon. So there will be a few things in the pipeline, but for now, hope everybody has a happy Christmas, and here's a little Christmas tune from Dramamask Evolution, or should I say Polluted Halo, which is Dramamask Evolution's alter ego, and here we are.
Happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you. Take it away, baby. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas to you. Happy Christmas, happy Christmas, happy Christmas from me to you.